Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an Aldi haul and a Kroger haul. If you didn't know this already, we have been living in Florida for the past 3 years and I have not had an Aldi or a Kroger. So I'm really excited to finally be back to where I can shop at both of these stores. And also, I did purchase all of this through Instacart. I will leave my link below. If you guys don't know what Instacart is, it is a grocery shopping service basically, and you can pay $14.99 a month, or I believe it's $149 a year, and you get free shipping on orders, not shipping, but free delivery on orders $35 or more, and it's same day as long as you order it within a reasonable amount of time. So I ordered this around, I think, 12:30 or 1 o'clock, and it's 3:30 now. I've had it now for almost 30 minutes. I'm just now able to record, so I'm just gonna get started. So I got a lot of fruits and veggies from Aldi. So I got these grape tomatoes. My 7-year-old loves these. And I got some organic Gala apples. I got some yellow squash. I'm really excited. I haven't cooked squash in a really long time. And also I got this one was cheaper than the one at Kroger, so I just got this one. I was running out of the Himalayan pink salt. And I actually ordered the navel oranges, but they were out of them, so my shopper replaced them with the clementines, which were actually cheaper, I believe. And that's one thing they will do, is they will replace it for you and the price is adjusted. I got some bananas and got some mushrooms because I'm gonna make some veggie chili and pasta, a veggie pasta. I'm not a vegetarian. I'm just trying to eat a little bit less expensive over the next few weeks, and we do have 4 kids, so with a family of 6, it can kind of get pricey buying meat for every single meal. I got some cantaloupe. I got these cute little potatoes. This little, I guess it's the tricolor medley potatoes. I guess that's really only gonna last for 1 meal because I thought it was gonna be more than that. And I got these, the Clancy's nacho cheese flavored tortillas, and I have opened one already. And I tried them. They are made with a little bit better ingredients than Doritos, and they are actually cheaper. I do prefer the Trader Joe's brand, but Trader Joe's is now a little bit further away for us. So, and also they don't do Instacart. But I did want to try these because we like to eat these with chili and taco soup and things like that. I got 2 avocados because I love Mexican food and I love eating avocado with my Mexican food. I got bell peppers because I love anything with bell peppers and onions. So I got a bag of onions, and then I got cilantro and these little organic mini cucumbers. I've been eating hummus lately, and I love to dip cucumbers and carrots in my hummus. So now moving on to the Kroger. So here is my Kroger haul. If you can't tell by now, I love the Simple Truth brand. It is the Kroger brand, and a lot of them are natural and organic. So I got 6 cans of tomato sauce. We typically shop at Costco, but right now we are just trying to really save money, like I said, and not buy in bulk so much, because when you buy in bulk, you're kind of limited to what you buy. So I wanted to get a variety of things because we're gonna eat basically a vegetarian meal every other night. Just to save money. So we eat a lot of things with tomato sauce, like soups and chilies and pastas and things like that. And then I got 2 cans of diced tomatoes. I didn't realize it was the no salt added, but that's not a big deal. I got 3 cans of the cut green beans, and then 3 cans of the French style green beans. We like to eat these whenever we eat things like chicken pot pie or something like that. I did get 1 can of cream of chicken, and I got some Great Northern beans because I like to make chili with a lot of different beans. I got 4 cans of black-eyed peas. I know these are not organic, but they don't have them organic, and that's okay. Not everything that I buy is organic. So I got black-eyed peas because I love to make cornbread and black-eyed peas. And actually my kids don't mind so much, especially my son, he actually likes it. I got 2 cans of lima beans. These were actually on sale, the Annie's canned foods. I actually ordered the chicken noodle soup, but they were out of it, so I had to get the All-Stars, which is the pasta in tomato and cheese sauce. And then I got 2 cans of the cheesy ravioli. This was cheaper to buy it like this. It was 50 cents cheaper total buying it in this little 4-pack of the dark red kidney beans. And once again, that will be used in a chili or 2 or 3. I've been craving some tomato soup lately, so I got 2 cans of that, and also some tomato bisque and chicken and wild rice soup. Actually, my husband can kind of take those for lunch and supper. He's actually been working 12 to 16 hours a day this past week, and which is a lot, just moving here literally a week ago. So not only does he bring leftovers, but I also try to send him with something a little extra just to help hold him over for the rest of the night. I wanted to try this gluten-free linguine pasta. It was more expensive than these two. It was actually like twice as much, but I eventually do want to go gluten-free, and so I'm just trying more gluten-free options before we actually officially switch over. So I did get the rotini and what is that? Penne rigate? I don't know. And I got some chicken broth. I typically get the one from Trader Joe's, but like I said, Trader Joe's is a little bit too far of a drive and they don't do Instacart. I need to hurry up and put these in the fridge. This is the oven roasted turkey meat. My 2-year-old actually will reach in the fridge and just want to snack on these, so I don't mind because she needs more protein, and so I just give her 1 or 2 slices of these. She actually had 2 of them for breakfast this morning. I got some Mexican style blend cheese. It's organic, so is this one. The sharp white cheddar cheese. These look really good. They are the restaurant style. The organic sea salt thin and crispy by Late July. I've tried their brand before and I do like a lot of their snacks. This was the cheaper out of this style chip that I saw. I wanted to try the Simple Truth Organic, sorry about the lighting. I wanted to try the Simple Truth Organic ranch dressing. I hope it's good. Typically, I've had a hard time finding ranch dressings that taste good, that are organic, so I'm gonna try this one and see how it goes. I'll let you know. And we typically get the applesauce value pack from Costco, but I wanted to try this one because it is the Simple Truth Organic and it's cheaper than typical applesauces. Plus it has the cinnamon, and with it being fall, I thought, why not? My kids would like it. They've had it before. So, okay guys, that's all for this video. I hope that you enjoyed. If you have any questions or suggestions or anything like that, please leave them in the comments down below. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.